curry and onions and like a Japanese white onions and also like a paprika powder and lemon juice and like cayenne pepper, like a hot powder and also shichimi.
Lots of deer.
This is a Japanese style.
Oh, deer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This one. This is like a Japanese spice.
There is good coffee. Coffee, this one is Meijima coffee. Yeah, Meijima coffee.
That's it?
I like this guy, he's got a fish on his arm. He's like giving him a noogie.
Yeah, here's a goat.
You go to Tokyo a lot?
Yeah, I've been living in Tokyo 16 years.
Yeah. Oh man, I love Tokyo. Oh, it's so beautiful. And the ramen.
I work in the fashion industry.
Oh yeah? Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. And I was a photographer
Oh, okay.
in London. Now I'm a restaurant chef.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my working in Kensaki is a Michelin. Yeah, if I go to the country,
Yeah?
yeah.
Well, yeah, 'cause
I'm working in Kensaki. Please check it.
what's the name? Can you write your name, the restaurant you work for? Because I am, we're flying in. Well, actually, I live in San Diego, which is like 2 hours from Los Angeles. And I could go check that out. Love to check it out. It's just to remind me. So I don't forget. Yeah. I'll put restaurants.
Please check the Google map. So I'm, yeah.
Los Angeles restaurant.
I'm going to check exactly in Kyoto. Maybe number one restaurant.
Oh, in Kyoto.
In Kyoto.
あ、ありますよ。
Yeah.
はい。
Okay. Yeah.
はい。グラスを2つ。
That's good. That's Oh, oops, that was the wrong one. Oh, it's right here?
Yeah. I'm working here and
Okay.
I'm 6 years later. I'm going to open my restaurant in United States. Yeah, I call you.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Our
Yeah.
restaurant is number one in Kyoto.
Yeah, because not tomorrow, but the next day, which is Thursday, we have. Are you working?
I work, but only we have full until 2 months later.
Oh,
Yeah,
we can check that restaurant out. We're going. Tiffany and I. We're going to Hiroshima tomorrow.
Hiroshima tomorrow?
Yeah.
I live in tomorrow. I live in Hiroshima.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I have a recommend Hiroshima.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got our passes. We got our JR
Yeah.
pass. We're going to go 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Miyajima temple.
Yeah, we're going to go
Yeah,
walk
really
around.
good.
Yeah. It's going to be beautiful over
Yeah,
there.
really beautiful.
So cute. Shrimp, garlic, butter, fresh cream. I'm like, perfect. I don't know what the red sauce was. It must have been tomato paste. But he didn't know.
He's like, I'm keeping that one a secret.
It was like a Tupperware, and I'm like, what was in there?
He's like, ancient Japanese secret. That's cool, man. Kyoto.
Yeah, now we get to have Hiroshima tips too.
Yeah. Well, I'm so happy we came here tonight. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is like Look, it's like the shrimp are bathing in excellence right now. Like, I want to bathe in that. Whatever the shrimp are bathing in, I want to bathe in.
Oh my god.
The smells good.
Yeah. She's going to make at home.
Ah.
Arigato.
Yeah.